Pi Network is not a form of free money. It is a long-term project whose success is dependent on the contributions of all of its participants. Pi is dedicated to assisting ordinary people in capturing more economic value that is currently lost to banks, technology behemoths, such as Facebook and Amazon, and other middlemen. Pi is reliant on the contributions of its members as a whole. Look elsewhere if you're looking for a quick buck. Today, there are lots of fine and juicy details, so stay to the end because you don't want to miss out. And to our loyal viewers who are always staying with us no matter what, we say thank you so much. Hi there. Welcome to Bashbox. I'm delighted to welcome you to another video, and just before we proceed, if you would like to sign up and start your cryptocurrency career or mining free Pi, keep watching this video. But before we dive into the topic of the day, kindly press the subscribe button below and don't forget to turn on your notification bell to ensure you don't miss any important information. Without any further ado, let's get started already. What is Pi? Pi is a new cryptocurrency created for and by ordinary people, which you can mine, or earn, with your phone. Cryptocurrencies are a new type of digital currency that is managed for ordinary people. Pi puts the power of cryptocurrency in your hands. You can now mine, or earn, Pi by assisting in the security of the currency and expanding Pi's trusted network. While most cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, have been difficult to use and access, for ordinary people, Pi puts the power of cryptocurrency in your hands. Is this true? Is Pi a rip-off? Pi isn't a ruse. It's a genuine effort by a group of Stanford graduates to make cryptocurrency more accessible to the general public. Pi is led by 2 Stanford PhDs and 1 Stanford MBA, all of whom contributed to the development of Stanford's blockchain community. We can't promise that the project will be successful. However, we pledge to do everything in our power to make our shared dreams a reality while upholding the highest ethical standards. You can learn more about them by going to the core team page in the app's main menu. What is the purpose of this app? How can I get more Pi? This app allows you to earn Pi by contributing to Pi's community in small ways. You earn more Pi the more you contribute. Check in every 24 hours to start earning Pi, then press the lightning button to begin mining. You can increase your hourly rate by inviting trusted friends and family to join the community once you've started mining. After 3 days of mining, you can increase your earnings by expanding your security circle, which contributes to the network's overall security. Keep in mind that the network's early members mine at a faster rate than the later members. Is it necessary for me to keep the app open to mine? Does the app use up my data or battery? To mine, you do not need to keep the app open. Pi has no effect on the performance of your phone, does not drain your battery, and does not use your network data. You can even close the app after hitting the lightning button and continue to mine Pi. So, how do you mine cryptocurrency without using up your battery or data? Pi secures its ledger by members vouching for each other as trustworthy, rather than burning energy as proof of work cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin do. This creates a web of interlocking security circles that determines who is allowed to conduct transactions. This novel approach allows you to mine cryptocurrency on your phone by leveraging your existing social connections, with no cost, no battery drain, and a small environmental footprint. For a more accurate and detailed explanation, read the technical section of the Pi Network white paper. Why do previous members mine at a faster pace? Members who join earlier mine at a higher rate, incentivizing contributions to the network at a time when they are most needed. Pi aspires to be the most widely used and distributed cryptocurrency in the world. Pi incentivizes its early members to make contributions that will ensure its success in order to achieve that goal, for example, securing and growing the network. As more people join the network, the rate of mining decreases to reflect the importance of early contributions. Every time the number of active users increases by a factor of 10, the base rate of mining halves, see graph below. When the network reaches a certain number of users, this rate will eventually drop to zero, for example, 10 million or 100 million. Miners will be rewarded through transaction fees rather than the creation of new currency at that point, just as they are with Bitcoin. What is the role of the ambassador? What is the structure of the earning team? For each person you invite to the network as an ambassador, you can earn up to a 25% bonus on your base mining rate. When new members join your earning team and use your invitation code to sign up for Pi Network, you become an ambassador. When your earning team is actively mining, each member provides a 25% boost to your earnings. Because each member can only join Pi once using one inviter's invitation code, a new member can only be added to their inviter's earning team. In other words, unlike security circles, where people can be added to multiple member circles based on their trustworthiness, earning teams are determined by who invited whom. Only one inviter can claim each invitee in the world. What does it mean to be a contributor? What steps do I need to take to become a contributor? By forming a security circle of 3 to 5 trusted members, you can earn more Pi as a contributor. After you've completed 3 mining sessions as a pioneer, Pi's contributor role becomes available to you. After 3 days of mining, you'll notice a new security circle icon on the app's home screen, which you can tap to begin. To become a contributor, you must add 3 to 5 people to your security circle whom you trust. What do security circles entail? Each of Pi's members creates a security circle of 3 to 5 trusted people. Security circles protect the currency by creating a global trust graph that prevents bad actors from committing fraud. While Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies encrypt their ledgers by requiring miners to burn energy, proof of work, Pi encrypts its ledger by having its members vouch for one another as trustworthy. Pi's contributors vouch for one another by forming security circles of 3 to 5 people they consider trustworthy. People you trust to not carry out fraudulent transactions should be included in your security circles. The security circles on the network form a global trust graph that determines who can execute transactions on Pi's ledger. What is Pi's numerical value? Pi is currently worth around $0/euro/etc., similar to Bitcoin in 2008. The value of Pi will be backed up by the time, attention, goods, and services provided by other network members. Pi's members hope to capture more of the value that typically goes to banks, technology giants, for example, Facebook, Amazon, and other intermediaries by pooling our attention, goods, and services around a common currency. We are currently laying the groundwork for this digital currency and marketplace by distributing the currency, establishing a community, and developing technology to ensure its security. Is it possible for me to get my Pi back? What is the withdrawal timetable? No, you can't take Pi out just yet. When Pi transitions to a fully decentralized blockchain in Phase 3 of the project, you will be able to withdraw Pi or exchange it for other currencies. On March 14, 2019, Pi began Phase 1 of the project, Pi Day. Your balances are recorded during Phase 1 with the assurance that they will be honored when Pi switches to the mainnet, Phase 3. To prevent bad actors from accumulating Pi from fake accounts, transfers of Pi are restricted until we reach mainnet. Pi Network team is still working out the details of the project's development schedule. It is important you check out the roadmap of the white paper for more information. When is Pi going to be worth something? When will I be able to exchange Pi for real money? Pi holders will be able to convert their coins into real money by purchasing goods and services on the Pi marketplace or exchanging their coins for fiat currency. To convert their cryptocurrency holdings into real money, or to cash out, cryptocurrency holders have 2 options: 1. Buying goods and services directly with their cryptocurrency, or 2. Exchanging their cryptocurrency for fiat currency, dollars, euro, etc. On cryptocurrency exchanges. 1. using your Pi to make direct purchases of goods and services. Pi Network is developing a peer-to-peer marketplace where our members can spend Pi directly on goods and services. As their team plans to begin experimenting with Pi in-app transfers in Q4 2019. 2. Using cryptocurrency exchanges to convert Pi to fiat currency. The Pi core team has no say in whether or not cryptocurrency exchanges, such as Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken, decide to list Pi. However, in Phase 3 of the project, Pi will be able to be traded, i.e., mainnet. Exchanges can then decide whether or not to list Pi. Is it possible to mine from multiple devices? How does the network keep fake accounts, bots, and other nefarious characters from earning Pi? No, you can't mine from multiple devices at the same time. One account per person is the network's strict rule. To prevent fake accounts from mining Pi, Pi employs a multi-pronged strategy. To begin, the network employs Google's reCAPTCHA v3 to determine whether a device is being controlled by a human or a machine. Most users are completely unaware of this technology because they are real humans, but bots may begin to see CAPTCHAs if Google's algorithm detects them. We're also working on a machine learning algorithm to predict bots based on real users' mining behavior. Second, the requirement of Pi's consensus algorithm, security circles, makes it simple to detect fake accounts. Security circles will not be able to point at fake accounts because there will not be enough real people pointing at them. Fake accounts would be pointing at each other at best, with very few pointers from the rest of the network. Computer algorithms can easily detect this anomaly. When Pi reaches its third and final phase, mainnet, only accounts that have been verified as belonging to distinct real people will be honored. In other words, even if all other methods failed to detect some bot accounts, this user validation process will eliminate them even further because bot owners will not be able to prove bots as real people with real names. We're looking into decentralized KYC processes that aren't too intrusive right now. Is this a wallet app? Will we be in charge of our own private and public keys? And, in the future, will we be able to store our Pi in an external wallet? Yes, your phone will act as a cryptocurrency wallet that is linked to your existing accounts, phone number/Facebook. Pi's blockchain, like any other public blockchain, will allow in-app/external wallets to hold Pi and transact with it by directly submitting transactions to the blockchain. This is a feature that we are currently planning to include in Phase 3 of the project. As a reminder, we are currently in Phase 1 of the project, which is currency distribution. Phase 2 will be the launch of a testnet, and Phase 3 will be the launch of our mainnet. You will also have the option to take full ownership of your private/public keys during Phase 3 of the project. Pi aspires to be more accessible to the general public, which is why we're attempting to create this integrated interface. This phased implementation was chosen to make it easier for regular people to use. We are still in the early stages of our journey and are looking forward to what lies ahead. And that's it for now. And if you have any business proposal, kindly message us on the email in the description of this video. With that, we've come to an end of this video. Please subscribe and click the notification bell icon for more daily cryptocurrency updates and predictions.